I'm a wee bit nervous. Hi, good morning.
Welcome to our river camp.
Yeah, we are slowly getting ready, which when we go slower, it almost seems like it goes faster.
Yeah, I'm not in too big of a rush today. It's going to be ridiculously hot, so I'm just kind of working through this nice cool. It'd be smarter to go fast and then ride in this cool, but I also don't want to have to ride for 26 hours today.
No, we don't need to do that.
I have to plan where we're going yet.
It was hot last night though.
Yeah.
Even going to bed.
I think that's the first night I've actually been hot in the tent trying to go to sleep. I had no blankets on. And then I woke up cold.
I said yesterday that I know we weren't going to say anything about the heat, but I could do with some Alaska chilly nights.
But that's what humans do. We complain about the cold, and then it gets warm, and then we complain about the warm.
There's just no middle ground with... There's no middle ground with bikes, though.
No, we went from 4 degrees to 40 degrees.
Yeah.
I could have done with like 25.
Yeah. Can't always have what you want, I guess.
No.
First challenge, though, is getting out of the sand and back up that hill.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Just aim your bike and go.
Yeah.
Just point and shoot right there.
Yeah.
It'll be fine. It's not that steep.
It's not the steep, it's the rock and the sand and the hill and the side of the cliff.
And then figuring out where we're going. I know we're headed towards Lillooet, but I got to see if we're going to stay in Lillooet area or keep going on the, I don't know if it's a highway or gravel road. I think it's a highway though. Really nice drive down towards Vancouver. Highway 99.
We'll be avoiding the city, so
yeah,
we'll stay on the outskirts.
Hopefully. Well, I'm going to try. There's a gravel road somewhere around there that kind of really avoids it. We will see. We might not even go that way. We might go to Lillooet and turn kind of southeast towards the border and drop down that way. I got to look at the map, figure out where we can go. I want gravel roads because they're prettier.
Yeah.
There's less people.
Yeah, it's
and there's
nicer.
no traffic lights.
Yeah, it's not a bad camp. It's pretty good. It's nice and quiet, nice views.
Yeah, it's quite the cliff.
But I know we said that eventually, after camping so much, we're not going to want to. But I enjoyed camping again, minus the beach setup and the sand everywhere. But if it was like normal campsite, I think.
Yeah. I don't mind it. You
I
get
like it.
used to it. I mean, we just got out of a hotel room for a week, so this is a little bit harder. And then just wake up, push a button on the coffee machine. This one takes a little bit more work.
Yeah. I have to push this button.
Yeah. But it is nice. Now it's time to enjoy coffee, do dishes, pack up, figure out where we're going.
Make it out of the hill and across the bridge again.
Are you going to stop on the bridge this
I
time?
don't know. I'll try. I just don't want, like, it just doesn't feel good for me to stop on that bridge.
I'll stop on it then.
It just doesn't, like, level ground is hard for me to stop on.
Well, there's nothing more level than a bridge.
But the actual the actual ground is not level. Like, it's like the expansion.
Yeah, but it's level. They don't put the steel in like this. No, it's flat. It just has holes in it.
Well, that's not flat.
Yes, it is.
It's holy.
If I put my hand like this, is it flat across?
Yeah, but there's a hole.
Oh, God.
So if there's a hole, I can go into the hole.
They're not. They don't put holes this size on the bridge. It's not a bump. So we'll show you how it goes getting out of this hill.
Yeah.
Tanya's gonna go first.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll go first because walking down to her is easier than walking up to her. But I think we're gonna do it that way. She's not gonna go until I go and get most of the way up or all the way up, because I don't want to have to slow down and get concerned of what's happening with her and me not pay attention, because that is what we watched the video last night, me coming around the corner where I then try to turn to talk to her and hit my brake and slide, and I was trying to pay attention to what she was doing, where again I'm not good enough to pay attention to two of us. See how it goes.
Yeah.
I mean, you're going up a hill in first gear. Anything goes wrong, like it's a pretty big trail. If anything goes wrong, you literally just lay your bike onto its side. And that bike knows exactly how to do that. So.
Whoa. All right, let's finish coffee. See you on the road. Bye.
Bye.
I'm a wee bit nervous. I'm breathing.
Keep going with gas. Make sure you have gas.
And to the left, right?
Yeah. Just keep going. You're doing fantastic.
I think it's better when I go first because then I don't have to think about it even more.
Well, look at you. Climbed up there like that was your
Yeah. Oh.
Good job.
Thanks.
Beautiful campsite though, hey?
Oh, my heart is beating very fastly. Oh. No, it wasn't as bad. I think the sand coming out was worse. Like I could feel my back end moving in the sand, but I mean, I don't know much about sand, but I felt it was okay. Like I imagine deeper sand would be a lot harder because you could tell as soon as you start to slow down a little bit, you can feel it kind of almost digging in. I was pretty much sitting on the back of my bag. Yeah, my head was over top, but my butt was way back. So I don't know, should I be leaning forward more? Like with my butt? But my butt was back because my back was straight and I was leaning over the handlebars.
Pretty cool bridge, eh?
Yeah.
Well, there's a walkway underneath of it if you could get to it.
Oh.
You coming or what?
Yeah. Nope, not stopping.
You don't feel like doing it again?
Nope, I thought about it.
Don't hit your head on this pillar coming up.
I don't hit my head on much. I'll stop up here in the shade. Oh, I'll just stop on washboards, I guess. Idiot.
Quite the spot. Yeah, it looks like there's quite the camping spots if we'd have just went farther down. Like normal. Yeah, well, it was late. I wanted to set up. And it's pretty cool though with the rock just sticking out in the middle of it there. Oh, I was in a really high gear to hit that sand in. Wow, there's quite a few of them.
Yeah. That one just jumped so high. I wanted your picture.
Why did the ram walk off the cliff?
I don't know.
He didn't see the U-turn.
Are you calling me a ram?
Do you know what a female sheep is? It's called a ewe.
Oh.
It's funnier when you know the actual punchline, eh?
Yeah.
And that's my joke for the day.
I didn't get it. But I still thought it was funny.
quite the rock wall right there, hey?
Yeah. Super neat.
Oh, wow. Interesting.
Looks cool. It's a fun road for him. Took a little break in the shade, flew the drone a couple of times. So that means that we made it up the hill successfully.
Yeah, I mean, you can probably see that on the video of us going up the hill.
Yeah.
Leaving camp.
Yeah, because that'll be before this.
Yeah, so we made it out.
Yeah. It was definitely better coming out than going in.
Yeah, it was, like I said, climbing hills is easier. Fast. Just give her.
Yeah.
And we are 50 kilometers from Clinton, which should take us an hour and a half to get there. I think it actually says an hour.
But we were going to go a different way, but we don't have enough fuel. So we didn't fill the bladders yesterday. So
Stupid. Yeah, there was apparently a ferry you could take, but I didn't bring enough fuel to do it. So we'll go into Clinton and then we'll decide from there which direction and where we're going to go to camp tonight. But we got lots of time. It's still early.
it's warm though, already.
Yeah, it's a lot nicer not having the jacket on. It keeps you quite a bit cooler.
Yeah, there's a little bit more airflow, so it's nice. Let's get back on the road.
Yeah.